What's going on, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a beautiful 2010 Harley Davidson Street Glide. Nice bike, a lot of nice upgrades. Got a real bright, vibrant scarlet red paint. It's got these added on decals on the tank. Little black flames. This bike's got a 96-inch fuel injected twin cam. 6-speed transmission. Got the Vance & Hines X-pipe setup, and then you got the race components slip-on mufflers. You also got the Screaming Eagle heavy cone breather. Highway pegs already installed. You got some added on floorboards for the passenger that match the driver floorboards. Got some upgraded grips, upgraded speakers, and it's got the added in speakers for the saddlebag lids. Got the added on chrome trim for the gauges, electronic cruise control and ABS brakes. A couple of small marks on the bike, nothing big at all. Got a little rub mark on the corner of that saddlebag. It's also got a small, very faint scratch right there on the fender. It's got the 2-point docking hardware. If you want to do a quick detached passenger backrest. Good tire on the rear. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. So it's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We had a technician test ride it and make sure everything was working correctly. Then we gave it a professional detail. We installed a battery tender pigtail, new front tire, changed the engine and primary oils. I think there was something else we did. We put a new battery in it. Bike's got a little over 8,000 miles, which is really low for the year model. Got a little rub mark right there. And that was about it as far as any kind of cosmetic things. All the chrome looks good. Heel toe shifter. Got the paint matched mirrors. It's got this upgraded Clockworks windscreen and the Performance Machine trim. It also got the upgraded thicker chrome trim for the headlight. Deep dish bezels on the front turn signals, smoke lenses. And again, a brand new front tire, still got the hairs on it. You're looking at 8,669 miles. Bike runs real strong with those performance modifications. I mean, it's quick. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also check out the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.